And welcome back to Plants vs. Zombies 2 Big Wave Beach Day 2. Now, the reason why I didn't post Day 1 because Day 1 was easy as hell. Since you already did Ancient Egypt, Part C's, Far Future, Dark Ages, Frostbite Caves, Neo Mixtape Tour, Jurassic Marsh, and a little bit of modern day madness, but what the hell are you so slow for? I don't understand. I'm trying to test something. So it will stay there? I'm not testing that anymore. What is coming? Damn, so many waves. For some reason, it's acting really slow. Can you bold people hurry up? Please. You know what I just realized? That this is so damn slow. This is already 4 minutes. Wow, close enough. Over actually, but okay. Peter Pan, how you doing? So grateful. It's actually very much acquainted. Actually, hold on. Just to delete you guys real quick. I just need to delete you guys real quick. Just... I just wanna... There we go. Thank you. Thank you. I did not do that. I put this there. So this is so slow because of what? What in the... I'm coming, Grandma! Anyways. Please don't tell me for the rest of this. For anything, I'm gonna keep putting this on time lapse then. Then every time people I can put as far out as there. Dang. See how that goes. No. Bottle it up, baby. Hold those feelings in. Run. You be dead. You be dead. Bam. You be dead. Yay. Oh my gosh, we're like 6 minutes. Fucking A. This is Big Wave Beach. Day 2, 1 and done. See you guys in the next video. Bye.